Continuing our series based on discovery and advancement of insulin. If you want to see how insulin and diabetes got discovered, you can watch our previous video. Welcome to the slideshow. Feel the world. After the earlier discovery of insulin, it was started to extracted from pancreas of slaughtered cattle and pigs to treat diabetes, but insulin made from this method tends to develop allergies and other types reactions to foreign protein in patients. Then in 1955 insulin is sequenced by British biochemist Frederick Sanger, and is the first protein to be fully sequenced. In 1958 Sanger receives the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his research. And from here biotechnology done a great role in treatment of diabetes. If we look at the chemical structure of the insulin, then we got to know that insulin consists of two short polypeptide chain A and B. These chains are linked by disulfide bonds. Insulin forms in an immature form in mammals including humans by their pancreas. In its immature form it contains an extra stretch of C-peptide, so problem is to manufacture insulin in a mature form. So if direct sequences were used, then insulin is going to be manufactured in an immatured form. This got solved by Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly prepared two DNA sequences corresponding to A and B chain of human insulin. And then these sequences are introduced in E. coli, by which both A chain and B chains are separately manufactured and later joined by creating disulfide bond as in mature form of human insulin. As reaching 1963 insulin becomes the first human protein to be chemically synthesized. Then in 1982 synthetic insulin is renamed human insulin, marking it as distinct from insulin derived from animals. Synthetic human insulin has the advantage of being less likely to allergic reactions than animal insulin. So at the end of 1990s biotechnology and recombinant DNA technology taken the diabetes treatment and insulin manufacturing to a next level. You can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this one. We will meet again in another amazing video, so goodbye and tuned alive.